Good morning everyone. Today I will solve exercise 3.3 in coordinate geometry. Question number first. In which quadrant are on which axis do each of the points -2 4 3 comma -1 -1 0 1 2 and -3 -5 lies? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So now given points are -2 comma 4 3 comma -1 -1 comma 0 1 comma 2 and -3 comma -5. Now locate on the Cartesian plane. Now Cartesian plane, this is x axis, this is y axis, this is origin. So now locate the point, write 1 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Also take in left side from origin, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Above the origin right upward. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Also this is -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and this is -6. Represent on the graph. So now locate, this is x-axis and y-axis. This is quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now given point -2, this is abscissa -2, this is -2 and ordinate positive, so this is positive. So this is -2, so up just up -2 and 4 lies front 4. So this is upward, so this is -2 and 4. So -2, so -1 minus abscissa -2 and abscissa, this is abscissa. So from right origin positive taken abscissa and negative to left from. So -2, this is -2 and 4. So ordinate positive, this is positive, so this is positive 4 and above -2 just. So this is -2 and 4. 3 abscissa positive, this is +3 and -1. So ordinate -1, so this is down and this is here. So this is represent so 3 comma minus 1. So this is point 3 comma minus 1, and also minus 1 and 0. So abscissa is minus, so this is minus, and 0 ordinate is 0, so no distance, so abscissa just lies on the x-axis minus 1. So minus 1 comma 0. So this is minus 1 comma 0. So lies on x-axis 1 minus 1 comma 0. 1 2, so this is 1 positive, and 2 this is 2. So this is 1, this is 2. So just 1 above and the front of 2. So 1 2, this is 1 2. Minus 3 and minus 4. So abscissa is minus 3. Abscissa is minus 3. So abscissa is minus 3 and ordinate also minus 5. So this is minus 5 and our abscissa minus 3. So down minus 3 and just minus 5. So this is minus 3 and minus 5. So there are these point locate on Cartesian plane. So now taken A. So this is taken B, and this is taken C, and this is taken D, and also this is point E. Question number 2. Plot the points x, y, abscissa ordinate given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable unit of the distance on the axis. Are given table. So solution of this question. So now point x, y. So this is point minus 2 comma 8, also minus 1 comma 7, and 0 comma minus 1.25, and also 1 1 3. So 3 comma minus 1. So now represent on the Cartesian plane. So now draw Cartesian plane on the Cartesian plane x dash y dash. So now taken this is origin O represent. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is 8. So y 8, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, and also minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and minus 5. So this is first coordinate of abscissa minus 2, ordinate plus 8. So abscissa minus 2, so this is minus 2 and just above the minus 2 and front 8. So this is 8. So now this point locate on second quadrant. So minus 2 comma 8. So this is second coordinate minus plus, and minus 1. 7. So this is minus 1. So this is minus 1 and ordinate positive. So this is minus 1 and 7. This is point also in second quadrant. Minus 1 comma 7. Minus 1 comma 7. Minus 1 7. So this is locate. So minus 1 above and front 7. So minus 1 and 7 also lies on second quadrant and 0 minus 1.25. So abscissa 0 ordinate minus 1.25. So near about to 1 half. So this is 1 half. So this is point lies minus 1. So this is lies. So minus 0 comma minus 1.25 and 1 3. So this is 1 abscissa is 1 and ordinate is 3. So this is 1 comma 3 first coordinate plus and 3 minus 1. So this is 3 down, abscissa 3 and minus 1. So this is minus 1. So this is point 3 comma minus 1. So point. So this is minus 1. So this is minus 1 and down 3. So the coordinate of the fourth coordinate lies on fourth quadrant. So revise it. That's all. Thank you.